Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs series with Dr. Vivek Rana. Topic for today's discussion is from Art and Culture section. Jallikattu the movie has been selected as India's official entry to Oscars 2021. So it's a Malayali film. It's the second Malayali film ever to be chosen for the coveted honor. And let's see if it gets chosen in the best international feature film category. This category was renamed last year because earlier it used to be known as best foreign language film, but the last year winner Parasite changed the theme, so they have just upgraded it to the best international feature film category. Even though the current affairs related to movies are rarely asked in UPSC, but in case of, you could say, the state services exam and other government exams, this current affair holds importance because it is related to the cultural aspect as well. So there is no harm in just brushing up what this movie is all about in a short. So this movie has been chosen because it depicts the raw side of humans, which is much worse than animals. Because a bull which is about to be slaughtered escapes, and then the story revolves how the humans try to capture it. So the movie has been directed by Lijo Jose Pellicer, and it's based on 2015 short story Maoist by S. Harish, was in news this year because he has won the JCB Literature Prize for his novel Mouse. So you can see that the theme has some literary links as well, and only 3 films so far has been shortlisted from India in the best foreign language film. It was Salam Bombay, Mother India, and the last one being The Lagan. So let's hope that this movie has been critically acclaimed widely, and lot of film critics as well as other have welcomed this decision to choose this Malayali film for this year's Oscar. And make sure, the more importantly from examination point, is the Jallikattu. The word is once again in news, but this time for positive reason. Jallikattu, we all know, is a bull taming sport which is practiced in South India. Even though the movie is set in Idukki district, Kerala, it is primarily a Tamil Nadu, so you can say, the sport in which the bull is chased by a group of people. They try to hold the hump of the bull for some minutes, and some coins are attached. They also try to take them out. And this has been a controversial sport because it was banned multiple times. But then once again, since it has been part of inherent culture of the Tamil Pongal festival, so currently there is no such ban. And the opponents say that the adequate care is taken and bull is more or less not injured. Yes, there are human injuries while practicing these sport which are acceptable to them. So make sure you go through the list of other such sports as well. There was Kamla in Karnataka, and in Punjab there is Kila Raipur games where such bull cart racing is also practiced. So this makes the theme of the cultural as animal rights issue. But nevertheless, this theme is about the movie today. So I hope these are some of the key facts related to the Jallikattu. So if any state service examiner is going to pick, he might just ask what is the category, what is the language, and who is the director, or maximum on which book or the short story it is based on. So this is what you have to cover in this art and culture thing. And there was also another good news for India recently. You can say the Daily Crime has won an Emmy. It's the first ever show in the drama category, first ever Indian series to win an Emmy. So we can say that India is trying to make its stride, though this one is just at the basic step. Let's see if it gets shortlisted or not, because India has not been able to feature in this coveted category for some time now, and let's hope that this one changes the trend. So I hope this session was useful in some way. Thank you very much.